If you want to circumscribe a circle about a rectangle, you start by finding the perpendicular bisector to two adjacent sides. Okay, if you find the perpendicular bisector to this side, it's also going to be the perpendicular bisector for this side, so you only have to find it twice, once for this one and once for this one. Okay, so to do this, I need to put my compass point on the angle here, and I want to make sure that this is open more than half the distance between this point and this point. Okay, so I want to make a big sweeping arc around that point, and I'm going to do an arc at the opposite point of the other end point of this segment so that the compass is open the same amount. Okay, now I want those two arcs to intersect twice. Now if I draw a line through those 2 points where the two arcs cross, I have created the perpendicular bisector for both this side and this side. Okay, so now I'm just going to do the same thing for this side here. Okay, I just want to make my arc. Sorry, I'm having trouble getting it on the point there. Okay, so I just want to draw this arc so that it goes around this angle, and I want to do the same thing at this end point or angle of the rectangle, whatever you want to call it. And I want to make sure these two arcs intersect twice, and they will the way I've drawn it. Okay. Now notice what happened here. We could have actually saved ourselves from having to draw 4 arcs if I had just, since I just left this the same, I could have just drawn 3 circles really, one around each of these angles, and then drawn lines through where these circles cross. Okay, so draw a line. Actually, let me restart that one because it didn't. Okay, draw a line through here. Alright, so this is where I want my circle to be centered. So I put my point here, and then I open my compass up so that it touches one of the angles. And let's make this one a different color, purple. Okay, and I just draw a circle. And it should line up a little better. You know, this software, because the lines are so thick and it wants to snap to points, it doesn't do it exactly perfectly, but it will circumscribe about the rectangle.